This video is sponsored by JLCMC. JLCMC provides small and medium businesses and die makers with comprehensive supply chain for automated components, offering both retail and wholesale solutions. Our integrated production line guaranteed superior quality while maintaining competitive pricing advantages in the industry. We are committed to delivering cost-effective, high-performance solutions and preparing to launch affordable, fully customizable industrial service tailored for creators. JLCMC provides mechanical parts and high-quality industrial parts which are very high quality, and it also gives $60 plus coupon codes which are given in the pinned comment and video description. Please check it out. Thank you JLCMC for sponsoring this video.